in the morning. Then I go to washroom and get fresh. Next I say my prayer. After then I go to outside for morning walk. Getting back home I then have something food. Next, taking a cup of tea, I start my work. Completing it, I get ready to go to my school. In the evening, I usually visit around the town. Sometimes I try to play football. In the weekend, I make a tour. Before sunset, I get back home. Getting back home, I then have something food. Next, taking a cup of tea, I start my homework. Completing it, I enjoy television along with my parents. And at night, completing my homework and I enjoy television along with my parents. Next, we all of our family members have supper together. After that, I go to my personal room and join my personal job. And next, I go to my bed. And that's all.
Speaking captive, focusing brilliantly.